Thank you for watching Yukio's cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken breast strip with shiso and cheese. Let's get started. 6 chicken breast strips. Cut tendons off. Cut the chicken and open it. Add 1 teaspoon of sake, monk fruit sugar, and soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of chicken broth mix. Drill the seasoning well. Coat the chicken with potato starch. Chicken breast has many benefits. Put shisos on the chicken. Put some cheese. Fold them in half. Add the oil into the pan. Grill them on medium heat. Cook them until brown. Flip them. Cover the pan. Heat slowly.